The public breakup between Denise Richards and Aaron Phypers has exploded into a courtroom storm of abuse allegations, restraining orders, and shocking testimony. What's true? What's disputed? And how far will this battle go? Let's break down everything we know so far. In July 2025, Aaron Phypers officially filed for divorce from Denise Richards after nearly 7 years of marriage, naming irreconcilable differences and listing their separation date as July 4th. Almost immediately, Denise responded by requesting and being granted a temporary restraining order. She made serious accusations that Phypers had repeatedly physically and emotionally abused her, including choking, slapping, head trauma, threats to kill her, and unauthorized access to her devices. In her court filing, Denise claimed that throughout their relationship, Phypers would violently choke me, squeeze my head with both hands, tightly squeeze my arms, violently slap me in my face and head, aggressively slam my head into the bathroom towel rack, use threats like break my jaw, hold her down with his knee on her back, threaten that he would kill her if she reported him, hack her laptop and phone and steal text messages, and that she had suffered at least 3 concussions from abuse. Phypers has denied all claims, calling them completely false and deeply hurtful. Thus began a legal battle not just over separation, but over reputation, truth, and protection. When the case went before a judge, the tension escalated beyond legal filings. In front of cameras, Denise testified calmly, but with emotion. She asserted that Phypers physically abused her and that she was living in fear. She described one fiery incident around July 4th, claiming that Phypers became enraged when she asked him to leave shared townhouse space. He allegedly got in her face, screamed profanities, pushed her arms, and dragged her to the floor. She also referenced vulnerability. At the time, she had just recovered from facial surgery, had stitches behind her ears, and was emotionally tender. Her testimony included claims of threats, that he had threatened to throw her off balconies or break windows, and told her not to speak out or he would retaliate. Denise broke down at moments, calling these incidents recurring, damaging, and terrifying. The case took a more dramatic turn when Aaron Phypers' own cousin, Kathleen McAllister, testified remotely. She claimed to have witnessed violent acts, physical blows, black eyes, head slams, and threats to kill both her and Denise if they spoke. Her testimony included that she witnessed Phypers hit Denise, giving her a black eye. She alleged that he pinned her against concrete walls, choking her, and as a result, Denise sustained a concussion. She described a bathroom altercation where Denise was slammed into a rack and her head was injured. She testified Phypers threatened to kill them if they disclosed the abuse. She also said she feared Phypers' influence and only agreed to testify if her name remained off the official witness list. These claims lend weight to Denise's narrative by adding an outside voice to her allegations. Unsurprisingly, Aaron has denied all abuse, dismissing Denise's claims as false. He has also filed motions to bring in Sheen and Brandi Glanville as witnesses, presumably to challenge Denise's credibility and point to her past relationships and alleged substance use. Aaron's camp claims Denise has engaged in harassment, that she attacked him, and that she has a history of dishonesty or instability. So the courtroom is becoming a battlefield not just of facts, but of competing perceptions, victim versus defendant, accuser versus defender. The restraining order granted to Denise is currently temporary, but she is seeking to make it permanent. She's asking the court to require Phypers to cover her legal fees and to mandate that he attend a 52-week batterer intervention program. Besides the domestic abuse claims, there's also the question of property, asset division, and control over personal devices, since she alleges Phypers hacked her phone and laptop. The court hearings are expected to continue, possibly with more witness testimony, cross-examination, and media attention. The outcome could be permanent restraining orders, monetary judgments, or mandated remediation plans. This case is emblematic of larger truths in celebrity divorces. Abuse claims in high-profile relationships attract intense public gaze, making privacy and reputation stakes even higher. Corroboration from witnesses adds pressure, but legal proof remains difficult. The narrative war is as important as legal claims. How each side presents themselves in media and court can sway opinion. If the restraining order becomes permanent, the legal precedent may affect future celebrity abuse cases. Denise Richards, once an actress and reality star, is now navigating a courtroom where she must argue not just against her ex, but against public skepticism. This battle between Denise Richards and Aaron Phypers is far from over. Her allegations are grave, his denials resolute. With powerful testimony, new witnesses, and legal motions, this will be a fight over more than separation. It's about safety, truth, and legacy. What's your take? Do you believe Denise's claims? Will the court side with her? Let me know in the comments. And if you want the latest updates as this plays out, hit subscribe. See you all in next one.